Hey everyone, welcome back to another Tic Tac Taiko. Today's drill is all over the place, but in a good way. It helps you work your rhythmic sensibilities, it helps you work on composition, and what it's really designed for is to help you get comfortable with improvisation if you find it intimidating. So let's take a look. Today's drill is called 3-for-4, not 3-4-4, because that equals 11. If anyone ever says, I have a song at 11, let me teach you. You have two options. You can either run and run fast, or you can distract them and then run fast. Because 11 is a terrible, horrible, cruel trick of a meter to play on someone. But I digress, I'm projecting a little bit. Anyways, it's called 3-for-4 because you're taking 3 notes in a 4 count and you're going to be focusing on those. You'll see what I mean in a minute. You don't need any equipment for this drill. All you need are your hands. I'm using some drum pads and I have some bachi. You can use a metronome if you want, but you don't need anything but those hands. The first section starts with a very simple fundamental. You're going to pick either hand and play a downbeat. And you're going to subdivide into 4 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you've got your 1 always constant, regardless, whichever hand you choose, and 2, 3, and 4 are your options. Your other hand is going to play either 2 or 3 or 4. So the drill for this starts by playing 4 2s, 4 3s, then 4 4s. This is what it sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that was just the first half of the drill. The second half follows the same sequence, but instead of doing 4 of each, you're going to do 3 of each, then 2 of each, and then just 1. So let's do the second half at the same slow tempo. If it helps, count out loud 1 through 4 so you can follow along what my other hand is playing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to play this one more time, but faster. And again, if it helps, and it probably will, count 1 through 4 while I play so you can follow along with what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So while that's the base drill for section 1, it's not the only sequence you can play. That's just giving you a launching pad, a start. You can switch up the order of the numbers. You can play different sequences of different ones. Maybe you do 4, 2, 3. Maybe you do 2 of each and just stay there for a while. Or what you can do is make patterns based on your choice of numbers and how many times you want to play. So a really simple version would be something like 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3. It'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty simple pattern. This is where this drill 3-for-4 turns into a composition tool. Now that pattern isn't dazzling, but if you add choreography, you can get something pretty interesting. So for section 2, it's the same basic idea. You still have your 1 and your 2, 3, 4. But unlike section 1, you could only play one of those 3 notes. Now you're going to play 2 of those 3 notes. That gives us 3 choices. 2 and 3, 3 and 4, or 2 and 4. We can apply the same framework in section 1 to the drill in section 2. I'm going to play 2, 3, then 3, 4, then 2, 4, 4 times, then 3 times, then 2 times, then once each. I'll do one section slow and then one section fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, this is a composition tool, which means we can do the same thing with those 3 patterns that we did with the first 3 patterns in section 1. So let's try arranging this. 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4. Let's see what that sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm not going to do the choreography on this one, but I'm sure you could come up with something that works with a simple pattern like this and make it look much more interesting. Hey everyone, I'm interrupting myself yet again to say if you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should, because of reasons. And there's a button over here that says subscribe to let you do just that, or wait till the end of my video and you'll see my logo over here. Thank you. Section 3 is where this all comes together. And remember, in the intro, I said that this drill was specifically designed to help people who find improv intimidating. So you're going to do the same bass drill where one hand picks the 1 and plays it, and the other hand does whatever. But whatever is limited to anything from section 1 or section 2, which right now is 2, 3, or 4, 2, 3, 3, 4, or 2, 4. But wait, there's more. You can also play the 1. Whoa! No, not whoa, 1. You can also choose to play nothing at all, which effectively means playing 0. Whoa! And you can also play the 2, 3, 4, which means you're playing all 3 notes at once. Whoa! Now this gives you a total possible repertoire of 9 things to choose from. And that may seem like a lot. But remember, you can play whatever you want for as long as you want. So if improv is intimidating, if you really just want a nice, comfortable bass, pick one pattern and cycle it for a while, then pick another pattern and cycle that for a while. And just do that until you start to feel comfortable and you start to branch out. Or maybe pick 2 patterns from the beginning and play one, switch to the other, play another. So you're going back and forth, A, B, maybe 5 of these and 2 of those and 23 of these, whatever. Just know they're not impressing anyone. You're doing this by yourself. So you have all the time in the world. And as you get more comfortable, you can start to add more of those 9 options. So I'm going to do a demo that shows you what it might look like. Okay, last demo, section 3, improv. I'm going to start slow and simpler and gradually increase to faster and more complicated. Where it goes, who knows, because this is all improvised. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that brings us to the end of this week's video. And I hope you found something in it that you can use. I get more requests for soloing and improv drills than any other type of drill. Sometimes I focus on the beginning player, sometimes on the more advanced player. I specifically wanted to do a drill focused on the beginning player, and also as a side benefit, you have a drill involving improv that needs no equipment. You can do anywhere at any time. So, until next time, keep practicing and be well.